You won't believe what I just read in the new YouTube policy. From July 15, 2025, YouTube is tightening its rules and many AI creators are beginning to panic. Some people are even saying AI content are beginning to get banned. But is that true? Please pay attention to what I'll be saying in this video. Now let's talk about it. Here is the gist. YouTube is not banning AI content completely. What they are cracking down is what they call low quality and mass producing content. Basically, if your channel is filled with AI slideshows, voiceovers with no real personality, or those repetitive faceless videos, YouTube is coming for those type of content, and yes, they are starting this July 15. You see those videos that sound robotic with stock footages, no real insight, and zero editing effort. YouTube is tired of them. They want more realness, more human touch, and more effort. So if your channel relies on AI 100% and has no unique creativity, any of these three things could happen. 1, you could get demonetized. 2, your content could be removed. And 3, your channel could be terminated. So you need to take this thing very seriously. Now, let me tell you the good news. Before you panic, just calm down, okay? Calm down, just calm down. AI is still allowed. In fact, I use it too, very well. You can still use AI to write your script, generate content ideas, use it for video editing or voiceovers. But the key is this, you need to add value. You need to add value, yes. Your thought, your personality, your creativity, something human. Take important note of this new rule. Disclose AI use. What I mean is this, YouTube is asking creators to disclose if this particular video was made with AI. If you're using AI for your content, whenever you upload a video, you need to disclose that before you upload. Or better, you can edit videos. If you already have videos on your channel that you didn't disclose this part that you used AI, you can just go back to that video, click on edit, and head over to where you see altered content. Just click yes. All right, it doesn't harm your channel. According to my research, it doesn't harm your channel. I do so for some of my content too. If you go through my videos, there are some videos I made with my AI version of me. I had to disclose that. I went to that part that asked if it was an altered content or not. I click on yes because it's not a real me. So I needed to, disclose that. If you don't disclose that, you could get flagged, especially when the viewers feel misled. Now, these are what you should do to avoid being banned. And you still have the opportunity to go edit your channel before July 15. Now go back to your old videos and edit them. Update your old videos. Go and state whether it is an altered content or not, just to let YouTube know that it is AI generated. And if there is any video you feel that doesn't go in line with the YouTube new policy, I'll advise you delete them before the time so that you don't get flagged or demonetized or even get your channel terminated. Now, go through your videos. You know yourself. Just go through your videos. Before then, you can just go through the YouTube new policy. I will link it up in the description box so you can go there and read from the beginning to the end so that you understand every bit of it. It's better than you going through the hassle of, getting your channel deleted or starting all over again, getting yourself demonetized. It's better you go through all the stress now, update your old videos. Start making content that you feel will go with the new YouTube policy. Use AI, like I said, but use it, add your human creativity. Edit your video properly, add captions, subtitles and all that. But also one thing you should be careful of is using the same template over and over again, using the same stock footages, using the same generated images and all that. So, and this boils down to those who are into the African folktale niche. You don't need to panic as well, but just make sure you are doing the right thing. If you are creating a story video, make sure each scene you have in your video has its own related image. Make sure you generate images for each scene. I've even watched some channels where they just use like 2 or 3 images. For a full story video that is like 14 minutes, you are using like 3-4 images. YouTube will consider that as a low effort content. Make sure you generate images for each of the scene in your story videos. Honestly, this is a wake-up call for every one of us, especially those of us within the AI niche. It also speaks to me as well. you need to make sure you don't rely on AI. Don't rely on AI too much or only. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Olapo. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share this video with someone.